Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Christmas cross-stitch is probably one of the most enchanting and festive ways to bring the holiday spirit into your home, offering a delightful blend of creativity and seasonal cheer that transforms simple threads into heartwarming decorations and thoughtful handmade gifts. This beloved craft allows you to meticulously stitch intricate designs, from jolly Santas and twinkling trees to cozy winter scenes, providing a relaxing yet rewarding activity that captures the magic of Christmas and results in cherished keepsakes you can display year after year, making your holiday season even more special and personalized. Number 5. 101 Christmas Minis, Book 2. Discover the magic of the holiday season with our latest collection. This book is your ultimate guide to crafting festive designs. Immerse yourself in timeless, traditional holiday patterns. Perfect for adding a special touch to your seasonal decorations. Create stunning ornaments that will be cherished for years to come. These designs are ideal for personalizing your Christmas tree. Make your gifts unforgettable with unique embellishments. Add a handmade charm that shows you truly care. Beyond ornaments and gifts, explore endless possibilities for all your holiday crafting needs. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile designs. This book is packed with inspiration for every crafter. Get ready to create beautiful, festive pieces for the most wonderful time of the year. What we like. This collection offers a wide array of traditional holiday designs perfect for creating charming ornaments and embellishing gifts. If you love classic Christmas motifs and want to add a personal touch to your holiday decor and presents, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great designs, easy-to-read patterns. This book offers over 100 mini cross-stitch projects for Christmas. Super easy to follow and simple Christmas cross-stitch designs. Lots of patterns. Number 4. Dimensions Counted Cross-Stitch Christmas Pals Ornament Kit. Get ready to craft some holiday cheer. This kit allows you to create 6 unique Christmas ornaments, perfect for decorating your tree. Inside, you'll find pre-sorted cotton thread, 14-count white Ida fabric, felt, a needle, and simple instructions. Everything is ready for you to start stitching. Stitch your way to a whimsical collection of holiday pals. You'll create charming ornaments featuring a snowman, penguin, reindeer, polar bear, and Santa Claus. Once completed, each of these delightful ornaments will measure 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. They're the ideal size for hanging on any branch. Don't worry if you're new to cross-stitch. The included instructions are easy to follow, guiding you through each step to create beautiful ornaments. These handmade ornaments are wonderful for personalizing your Christmas tree. They also make thoughtful, handmade gifts for friends and family. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to create 6 adorable Christmas ornaments featuring popular winter characters. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-follow project to decorate your tree or make thoughtful gifts, this is ideal for you. What people say. The thread and Ida are high quality, and the colors are bright and vibrant. The instructions for stitching and assembling the ornaments were clear and easy to follow. The finished ornaments are not too big and not too small, perfect for any size tree, or to hang throughout your home. Number 3. Holiday Ornaments Galore, 98 Festive Cross-Stitch Ornaments. Get ready to deck the halls with our incredible collection. We have 98 festive cross-stitch ornaments to bring cheer to your home. These ornaments are perfect for adding a personal touch to your Christmas decorations. Each one is designed to be a beautiful handmade addition. Discover the joy of crafting with our extensive range of holiday ornaments. They are ideal for creating unique gifts or embellishing your tree. Explore a wide variety of charming designs that capture the essence of the holiday season. You'll find something for everyone to love. Make this holiday season extra special with these delightful cross-stitch ornaments. They are sure to become treasured keepsakes for years to come. What we like. With nearly 100 festive designs, this option offers an unparalleled variety for your Christmas cross-stitching projects. If you want to have a huge selection of patterns to choose from for ornaments and decorations throughout the holiday season, this is the ultimate collection. What people say. The patterns are endless and so very nice. So many colorful patterns. I have enjoyed stitching these ornaments and giving them as gifts. Not too difficult, but still challenging with 1-4 stitches and color intensity variations to give depth. Book offers colorful samples which are numbered to make it easy to find easy-to-follow patterns. Number 2. REEWISLY Christmas Embroidery Kits 4 Set. Get started on your festive crafting with this complete embroidery kit. It includes everything you need to create beautiful Christmas designs, perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Our kits come with pre-printed patterns and easy-to-follow instructions. The adjustable embroidery hoops ensure your fabric stays taut, making the process smooth and enjoyable. Just loosen the hoop, place your fabric, and tighten. Follow the clear, numbered instructions and stitch guides to bring your design to life with vibrant colors. Remember, the pattern on the fabric will wash away with water, so keep it dry until you're finished. This helpful guide makes it easy to achieve a professional look. These handmade creations are wonderful decorations for your home or thoughtful gifts for loved ones. Share the joy of crafting this holiday season. Add an artistic touch to your living spaces with these charming embroidered pieces. They are perfect for displaying as exquisite decorations and celebrating the spirit of Christmas. What we like. This is a comprehensive DIY embroidery kit designed for beginners, providing all necessary tools and materials, including embroidery rings and scissors. If you are new to cross-stitching or looking for a convenient, all-in-one package to start creating festive decorations, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Easy instructions to follow, good quality fabric and thread. The patterns are fun and made perfect Christmas gifts. I have never embroidered before, but the directions were simple. The kit comes with everything you need, even scissors and some good needles. The thread is already separated by color, which I've never had in a kit before. They also include plenty of thread so you won't run out. Number 1. Pllieay Christmas Cross-Stitch Beginner Kits for Kids. Looking for a fun and festive holiday activity? This beginner-friendly kit is perfect for kids and adults alike to get creative. Inside, you'll find everything needed to complete 6 adorable Christmas-themed projects. It includes hoops, pre-printed Ida cloth, and plenty of colorful embroidery floss. The cute patterns are printed directly on the cloth, making it simple to follow along. Once you're done, just wash away the ink in warm water to reveal your beautiful creation. With 14 skeins of rich, Christmas-colored embroidery floss, you'll have more than enough thread to bring your festive designs to life. Each strand is long-lasting and easy to work with. Surprise your child with this delightful starter kit. It's a wonderful way to introduce them to the joy of cross-stitching and create lasting holiday memories. From jingle bells to snowflakes, the charming designs are simple to stitch. Follow the included instructions and create beautiful, handmade decorations to cherish. What we like. This beginner kit is specifically tailored for kids aged 7 to 13, featuring cute, easy-to-follow Christmas patterns that wash away cleanly. If you're searching for a fun, engaging, and simple cross-stitch project for children to enjoy during the holidays, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary threads, needles, and a clear pattern. The fabric is pre-sorted and easy to work with, making the stitching process smooth. The finished product looks exactly like the picture on the box, with vibrant colors and intricate details. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.